As parents continue to take over Facebook, their teenagers are fleeing. I wonder why.
You've had this experience that as soon as you start listening to some music that your kids loved, they now hate it.
It's uncool,
right. Turns out Twitter is where it's at, yo. They're going to Twitter in droves and leaving Facebook behind, Jessica Holmes?
That's right, Michaela. Turns out being friends with mom and dad on Facebook isn't really that cool. And once mom and dad start friending your friends...
Oh, boy.
Look out. More and more teens are complaining about how many adults have taken over the social media site. And it's possible parents are joining as a way to keep tabs on their teens. But mom and dad, it seems your plan has backfired. Thanks to parents and a large amount of angst and drama on the site, teens are waving goodbye to Facebook and hello, Twitter. Mom and dad will find you there eventually. And in fact, the number of teens on Twitter has doubled since 2011. And even though they don't want mom and dad reading their Facebooks, majority of teens are okay with the world having access to their tweets. According to a new study, more than 60% of teens have public Twitter accounts. While that may concern parents, an attorney and online child safety advocate says teens are actually exercising more caution about their posts. He says, yes, they are sharing. This is just the way they live their lives now, but they are better protected. They're protecting their information more than they used to, and they don't want others to see, whether it be on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Frank?
Yes?
Are you friends with your sons on Facebook?
I am with one of them, but not the other. I've tried to I've tried to friend the older one and...
Denied.